Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the unit and items so sterilization works effectively. First, rinse used bottles and parts to remove milk residue. Once done, place the sterilizer on a flat microwave-safe surface. Add the exact water amount recommended for your MAM model, usually between 60 and 100 ml, to create steam. Then load bottles and small parts upright with openings facing down to allow steam circulation, making sure nothing overlaps. Close the lid securely so steam is contained and the cycle can run properly. You now run the microwave cycle with attention to timing and power. Place the sterilizer centered in the microwave and set full power or the percent indicated by your MAM instructions. Lower power may prevent proper steam generation. Enter the recommended time. Many MAM guides use 3 to 6 minutes depending on wattage, and start. When the microwave stops, refrain from opening the door immediately. Let the sterilizer stand closed for about 3 minutes so residual steam finishes the process, and the temperature equalizes before you handle items. You finish by carefully removing and storing sterilized items while watching for issues. Open the lid away from your face to avoid steam burns, and use tongs or gloves to lift hot bottles and small parts. Place them on a clean surface or dry rack. If you won't use items immediately, keep them sealed in the sterilizer. Most stay sterile up to 24 hours if unopened. If you notice little steam or cool bottles, make sure you added the correct water amount and that the microwave wattage matches instructions. Repeat cycle if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.